this week's video, we have a very highly interesting topic that apparently I took a poll on Instagram and over 200 of you guys voted that you guys wanted this healthy lifestyle, how to start eating healthy, you know, diet, whatever video. So here we are, and we've got notes with us. So we've got notes based on experience, based on research. All of this is going to be really useful information for you guys, and not just, we're not talking out of our butts here, like we know what we're talking about, and I'm going to explain that in the video. So the first thing that I want to go over is fad diets real quick, just to touch on that. Fad diets don't work, and why don't they work is because for most people, according to research, you can go on Google and literally look anything up. Everyone will tell you that most of the time fad diets don't work. Like, there's so many examples of this. Stop mimicking. Okay, so why don't these fad diets work? These fad diets don't work most of the time because A, it doesn't work with people's lifestyles and they just give up or they cheat or, you know, get down on themselves or aren't motivated enough to stick with the whole program. Or they also don't work because if you are one of the few that does complete a fad diet, whatever program, then, you know, 2 weeks to a month later, you're kind of right back eating what you used to eat and back to where you were. And it's a cycle of losing and gaining weight and your body going up and down, up and down. Needless to say, most of the time they don't work. So let's talk about a diet and a healthy eating lifestyle that sticks. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video.
Hello. Action. Alright, so something that works, something that me and Hannah do, are we track what we eat, and for beginners, someone who's starting, we really highly suggest that you go for 1 week. 1 week. And you download the app, MyFitnessPal. It's a great app.
MyFitnessPal. Pulling it up right now.
And it'll track your foods. You can like literally scan the barcode and it'll pick up what you get. Track what you eat for a week. Don't change your eating. See what you're eating so that you can make a, you know, educated decision, and so that you can make an educated change. Be like, okay, wow, I'm consuming way too much for dinner.
Yeah, understand what you're eating and understand
what you're eating and understand, like,
we don't know. I did it for a week and I was like, holy crap, I'm eating all this healthy food, but I'm still gaining weight because I'm consuming more than I'm burning each day. You want to be burning more calories than you're eating. So if I'm burning 1,500 calories, I want to be eating 1,200 calories. Like, I want to be eating less than I'm burning. Whether that's healthy food or what.
If you're wanting to lose weight, that's what you do. That's what you do.
You burn more than you consume. This is for the people that want
to lose weight.
Losing weight, starting your day-to-day. Start tracking what you're eating. Like, oh wow, there's this many
just do that for a
calories
week.
And this many carbs in a piece of bread.
Well, now you're talking about carbs now, man.
I don't even know. No. Yes, getting ahead of myself. Okay, go.
That's what you should do for the first week. Week one, track what you eat. Don't change your diet. It's okay. Like, time is your friend. You need to just be patient.
Learn what's in your food.
Track what you eat for 1 week. All the fried chicken, all the good stuff that you eat.
You're gonna figure out what's in your food, because if you are doing a workout like Orange Theory or an intense workout and you're like, wow, I just burned all these calories, and then you go and eat fried chicken and Oreos or a piece of pizza or whatever, you could be literally destroying yourself, because it's like you're working but then you're eating terribly and more than if you're eating more than you are burning, you're going to be gaining fat and gaining weight. You're not going to be losing anything. So just because you did a workout and canceled it out with food doesn't mean you're gonna see any difference, doesn't mean you're gonna see any progress. You have to be burning more than you are eating and eating the right stuff. So here are some tips that we have for you guys. So eating a healthy snack or drinking a lot of water or eating a small meal before you go out with friends, if you're going out to eat for a birthday or whatever, eating something at home that's healthy before will make you less hungry when you go out to eat. You're gonna spend less money when you go out to eat, and you're gonna be less hungry, so you're not gonna wanna eat as much and eat as bad. That's a good tip for you guys. And then also, starting to say no sometimes to when, you know, you get those really big cravings between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. you get really bad cravings for really bad junk food. Everyone knows you do. That's just like your body's craving it. But that is the worst time to eat, because your body wants to either go to bed or store that food as fat.
Your metabolism is shutting down.
It doesn't want to digest that food.
Your body is wanting
so it's going to store it as fat. So you need to not eat and really say no to those cravings. Start trying to say no. Pick your 1 to 2 really bad junk foods or really bad habits that you have and start breaking them. Start saying no. If it is pizza and soda, start cutting it out every week. No soda, I'm gonna drink water or sparkling water or BCAAs or whatever you wanna do. Start saying no to those things and filling them in with other things. Drink more water. Instead of eating pizza, maybe eat, you know, make your own cauliflower breadsticks. They taste really good. There's so many things that you can do to not just cut out those, but replace them with something so you're not feeling like
there's always a healthier alternative.
Yes.
That's what you can.
Always a healthier alternative. And then
also wait. The amount you should be drinking a lot of water, so you should be drinking your body weight divided by, like, cutting in half, and that's how much water in ounces you should be drinking.
A lot of water. Water helps your skin, water helps your metabolism, water helps your muscles, water helps
keep you full.
Everything. Water is so good.
You'll seriously see so much change if you just drink water.
Yeah.
Like, it's unbelievable.
Last tip is to eat very, very big breakfasts and lunches. So if you're eating, America tells you, you know, eat small breakfast, average lunch, large dinner. We're telling you, you need to do the opposite. You need to eat
You listen to us!
Eat a really big breakfast, an average lunch, and a small dinner.
Look at this Gymshark. Not a sponsor.
Anyway.
One day.
We're gonna eat very big breakfast, average lunch, and small dinner. So what's that gonna do is that in the beginning of the day, you're gonna eat a really big breakfast, but you're gonna be burning those calories all throughout the day and burning that lunch all throughout the day. By the time you have dinner, you can eat a small amount of food so that when you go to bed, your body's burning your fat. It's not burning what you ate for dinner because you're gonna have a small dinner.
And we don't eat small little amounts of food. She says small.
Small dinner meaning portion sizing, you know,
yeah, we're not like
a chicken breast and vegetables.
At dinner time.
Not like, I'm gonna have a baked potato and a huge piece of chicken and a casserole.
For beginners, no seconds.
Yeah.
That's something when in high school, when I wasn't focused on that, that's something I did was just like, I'm just gonna eat the plate that I have here. I'm gonna eat the good size and I'm not gonna go back for more. Even though I was hungry, I just resisted.
Yes. We're gonna talk about what to eat, and that's going to be what Andrew mentioned before, tracking your calories, tracking your food for 1 week. We're gonna focus on fats, protein.
I love you.
I love you too. Gosh. What Andrew said before, tracking your calories every day, we're gonna focus on eating fats, proteins, and carbs. And why you wanna focus on those?
Those are called
macros.
No, I wanna do it. Macros. No, do that right there. Just go macros. Right in between my hands.
So,
fats. That's so fun.
Natural fats, natural proteins, and natural simple carbs. So when people say, oh, I'm gonna eat this no carb, low carb diet. Well, did you know that carbs are in vegetables and dairy products and fruits and, you know, really, really healthy things for you, nuts, everything. Carbs are in those things, and those are what your body needs. You will lose weight.
For energy.
For energy. You will lose weight if you are eating a high, simple carb diet. But you can't be having the complex carbs that your body does not want to break down, which is the bread and the pizza and the pasta.
Starches! Starches!
Those are the carbs we want to avoid. You want to avoid bread. You want to avoid the pasta. Some alternatives are Ezekiel bread for avocado toast.
Gosh.
Some alternatives are Dave's Killer bread. It's really good, you know, toast with avocado. Like I said, I keep saying that, it's really, really good. Or, you know, instead of pasta, you the chickpea protein pasta or veggie pasta. You can make simple alternatives that are better for you, that your body will want to break down
Guys,
easier.
Look, doing this, working out my core. You're in the middle of the video. Hula.
So when you're starting to eat healthy, and I said, like, okay, for beginners, you want to start tracking what you eat for a week. Look at the nutrients and look at the fats, the proteins, and the carbs.
Get a piece of paper and write down, like, okay, for lunch,
or your
I consume, or your phone. But
so that's how you're gonna learn about what you eat, because after you track for a week, the next week you'll know, oh, this is what's in my food and this is how many calories I need to cut what I'm eating.
And MyFitnessPal, you'll put in the information that you want, like how many weight you want to put, and like with your height and weight, it'll help you with like how many calories you should intake, and you should take a rough estimate.
Yes.
I wouldn't totally.
So for the morning, let's go through a day of eating for beginners, okay? Ooh. So in the morning, you're going to, here's some options for breakfast that you can have. 2 eggs, 2 to 3 pieces of bacon, or vanilla yogurt with some seeds or nuts, or some low sugar granola. Look at the ingredients, low sugar granola.
Oh, wait. Can I say something?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, if you're going to consume like sugar, make sure it's like natural, like it's cane sugar, or it's honey, like or
your
fruit.
body will break that down.
It's not organic. That's the word, but like it's a natural sugar. Cane sugar is real sugar. It's not processed. Like
nope.
If you're gonna consume sugar, consume it that way. Like make sure it's organic. It's organic, or it's cane sugar. Like no corn syrups, no high fructose, like all that.
So then you go to avocado toast, like I said, with Ezekiel bread or Dave's protein bread, something that is a better bread for you than all the starchy, all the crappy ingredients. Look what's in your food. You need to know what you're eating. So then you go to avocado toast or banana pancakes. Very simple recipe. A banana with 2 eggs and some milk and some vanilla. You whisk that up and you got a pancake.
Batter and you put it on the iron.
It's really good, really good.
You just got.
And then you could have sausage or an omelet with bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, whatever you want in it. Mix it up. Those are so many options for breakfast that you can have to make yourself a big breakfast. And fruit, you know, whatever you want. So many options for a good breakfast.
For example, what are you gonna put on your banana pancakes? Syrup. Don't put Jack's, whatever it's called.
And don't get the crappy sugar-free syrup either. Don't fall into that, because guess what? It's fake. They fill it with fake stuff.
Other stuff.
You need natural maple syrup, and it has higher sugar, but it's natural sugar. Your body will break it down. It's all about what your body's gonna break down or what it's gonna store away as fat. It doesn't recognize it, store it away as fat. It breaks it down, then you're good to go.
Our bodies are very smart.
So now you're gonna go into some snack options. You want a snack between breakfast and lunch. So you're gonna have fruit or granola or dried fruit, like dried mango, dried banana chips,
dried banana is really good.
Dried everything, like, you know, grapes, whatever. Like I said before, yogurt, some vegetables, nuts.
Trail mix.
A cheese stick.
That's always a fun one.
Like natural cheese stick, like mozzarella or sharp cheddar, rice cakes, or protein shakes. So those are many options. And like I said, you can also go online and go to Pinterest, go wherever, and get healthy snack options there everywhere. What I recommend is if you're really craving something, chug some water. And honestly, it sounds stupid and it's hard, but if you chug that water, and it'll make you feel more full and make you crave what you're craving less. Or, like I said before, substitute your craving with something that's healthy. Pinterest, online, healthy substitutes for chocolate cake. Simple as that. I just made a mug cake a couple weeks ago for me and Andrew, and it's just banana, cocoa powder, egg, and like one other thing, and it was delicious. Then you go to lunch. Lunch, we are not vegetarians. We like our meat. So vegetarians, I'm so sorry.
No offense to all the
No offense to you, but this is what we recommend.
Dude, we freaking love meat.
We love meat. And we really get our protein from that. So good options for lunch. You go to your deli, you get some turkey, some honey smoked turkey, some chipotle turkey, whatever. Ham, roast beef. You can make a ground beef patty with lettuce, or a ground turkey patty. You can make lightly, simply marinated chicken. You could do vegetables, salad, tuna, fish. That's disgusting.
Okay.
There's so many healthy options you can do for lunch. Get your meats, get your vegetables, get your fruit, get it all in for breakfast and lunch. That way you're not gonna be as hungry for dinner. Next. If you're going to eat Ezekiel bread, if you're going to eat any sort of carb that's a little bit, you know, a food that's higher in carbs. So like strawberries are higher in carbs, and like Ezekiel bread and Dave's Killer bread, stuff like that's higher in carbs. Sweet potato, higher in carbs. Good for you, but higher in carbs. Eat them for breakfast and lunch.
Yeah, consume them early.
So your body has time to process them a little bit longer. Don't eat them right before bed. Eat yogurt right before bed. Great snack option for right before bed is yogurt.
And there's carbs in yogurt, but you know.
It's your body's gonna digest it faster.
We're trying not to consume all of our carbs late in the day.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about dinner now. Dinner is similar to lunch. So you got your, you know, vegetables, you got your meat, whether that be chicken, turkey, ham, whatever, fish, it doesn't matter. You got your meat, you're gonna put it with a side of vegetables and maybe, you know,
make a stir fry
or something. Yeah,
That's
stir fry
fun.
Or something like that. So you make your dinner. It's smaller than your lunch, okay? Because you shouldn't be as hungry. If you're eating a bigger lunch and snacks in between and a bigger breakfast, you shouldn't be as hungry around dinner time. So you're gonna eat a little bit, you know, of some, maybe half a chicken breast and some vegetables, whatever you want. So you're gonna have a smaller dinner, and then if you're really that hungry for dessert, make a protein shake, drink some water, do other healthier alternatives for that, and then that's a full day of eating. It is okay to have a cheat meal once a week, and if you're strong, once every 2 weeks. That'd be awesome. But
stronger
once a week
that,
cheat
once a
meal
month.
does not mean a cheat day, okay?
No, just a
cheat day is, no, that throws everything away. Cheat meal, for example, a donut or two for breakfast on your cheat day, or a piece of pizza on your cheat day, or drink on your cheat day, whatever. A cheat meal, okay? It's actually really good for you if you have a cheat meal once a week or once every 2 weeks, because it shocks your metabolism if you've been eating healthy, okay, the rest of the week. What we're gonna go over one more time is healthy eating for beginners. We got the tips, we got the healthy snacks, a healthy eating day, what it looks like.
To use.
The apps to use, which is MyFitnessPal. Track what you want to eat for a week with a cheat meal, once a week, once every 2 weeks, whatever you can handle. And that whole week, just work on enjoying that healthy food. Savor it, make it good, marinate your chicken.
Yeah, there's
Put your vegetables in a little bit of coconut oil, okay? Like, there's so many ways to enjoy your healthy food, like he said. Like, enjoy it. It's not depriving yourself. And that's what's going to get you to lose weight, lose fat. Okay, if you're working out and you're eating good things, your body will love you for that.
Find marinades and recipes on Pinterest.
And we know what we're doing. I have not gained weight and gained fat in the last 2 years. And that's because I have consistently eaten healthy during the week with a cheat here and there, and I've worked out and burned more than I've consumed. So if you guys are able to do that, burn more than you consume, and you can see that on your MyFitnessPal, okay? You see, if you got a fitness tracker like an Apple Watch, Fitbit, whatever, track your exercise and say, okay, well, I'm burning around this much, I'm eating around this much, let's see where I'm going. And then if you do that for a week or two, you'll start to just know, like, oh, okay, I can have this because I know what's in it. I can eat this because I know what's in it. And I know that I'm going to be eating less than I'm burning. And that's not significantly less. It's like, okay, I'm burning 1,800, eating 1,400, 1,500. Okay, so it's not a whole lot. You're not starving yourself.
That sums it all up. Like, subscribe to our channel.
Let us know what you think about this video.
Yeah, comment what you let us know.
We might do another video on nutrition.
More in depth. And on
carbs,
more specific,
carb cycling, like what it looks like when you're in better shape. Okay, well, what is carb cycling? What is intermittent fasting? What is fasting with cardio? Like, there's so many things that we could go in depth about tracking your macros and what that does. There's so many topics we could go into. So let us know what you think about this specific video. These are just tips for beginners of how to start a healthy lifestyle, how to start those natural healthy habits.
Subscribe to our channel and comment and like this video.
We love you guys.
Follow her on Instagram, or me, but
Instagram.
Follow her. She's got really good pictures. I take her pictures, but
he is my photographer, Instagram fiance.
But that's right, fiance. Ladies, I'm taken. I know.
And I'm taken. I'm sorry.
Yeah, she's taken too, by the way. Okay, so yeah, that's it.
We love you guys.
Bye.
All right, bye. See you guys next week.